Let's learn how to do a free fertility health assessment, step by step. First, open Google and enter the Conceive Life website and click search. Once you're on the home page, you'll see different fertility tools and resources designed to help you understand your body better. Now, click on the Free Fertility Health Assessment option. This assessment is designed to give you personalized insights into your fertility health in just a few minutes. Next, choose your assessment, whether male or female fertility. Simply answer 25 quick questions based on your current health and lifestyle. Then click on Yes, Submit. Enter your name and a valid email address to continue. Your results will be sent to your registered email. Simply open your inbox and check your results. Along with your results, you'll get personalized advice to help improve your fertility health. Don't wait. Your fertility journey starts with understanding. Take your free assessment now.